guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I'm going to discuss on how to use popular DEX exchanges like Uniswap, SushiSwap, etc. and what are the advantages of using it. On 26th June I have posted one article in the Telegram. Hope anyone of you have seen that and had already added liquidity to Uniswap. You will be eligible to big airdrops in the future. Already the Uniswap airdrop which was held in 2020 was a great one. I already added the liquidity since the ETH gas fee was very low. Adding Uniswap version 3 liquidity is quite different from other normal adding liquidity method. I will discuss it later in the section of the video. You can see the airdrop today I received. For adding the $110 equivalent liquidity, I received almost $71 worth of WSB tokens. In order, you need to add liquidity to receive such airdrops in future. Especially, you can also expect again a Uniswap airdrop of Uni token itself. I'm using FTX exchange in order to withdraw Ethereum as the withdrawal fee is very low compared to every other exchanges. Even Binance charges approximately 650 rupees, $10 equivalent ETH withdrawal fee, whereas FTX charges just 0.5 to $1 withdrawal fee only for ETH. If you are staking FTX FTT tokens, you will get free withdrawal too. I'm just purchasing Ethereum worth of $1,070. I'm using SafePal wallet in order to add liquidity since I already added in Trust Wallet funds. Just coming and copying the ETH address. Just I had withdrawn the fund. You can see the fund gets credited. Now I'm going to the DApp section. You can see many popular DeFi platforms here. The first step I am going to do is that I am going to use SushiSwap here. There are chances for airdrop in future for people those who already use SushiSwap. So I am just using the SushiSwap. Actually, if you are adding liquidity, it would be more nice, more probability for winning more airdrops. I'm going to purchase USDT tokens. Since I am having $1,000 plus equivalent ETH, I am using 500 USDT equivalent. Actually, I am purchasing it for adding liquidity and I am preferring XDAI USDC pair mostly. The secondly XDAI USDT or USDC USDT pair. You can use any of these stable pairs. This would be very better. The swap fee is approximately 300 rupees. It's comparatively very low at present market conditions and ETH gas fee condition. Now coming to the Uniswap exchange, I'm going to purchase DAI tokens here. Here also I'm going to purchase just $500 equivalent DAI tokens. Just hit on the swap button. Confirm the swap. Uniswap will charge a little more higher fee than SushiSwap. Then also it's approximately 300 around. You will get your swap in few more low amount too if the gas is little more down. But the gas is stable around these areas and your transaction will not be failed if you are putting such a gas which is equivalent to 300 rupees and or the gas value will be approximately 7 to 10. Now we can see how to add liquidity in Uniswap version 3. Go to the pool page, more, create pool. You can select the tokens you need to add liquidity. I am selecting DAI vs USDT. For stable coin pairs, we should select 0.05% fee. For ETH USD, Uni ETH like market popular pairs, you should add 0.3% fee. And for very new tokens with high fluctuating value like SHIB, ETH and all, you should select 1% fee. You need to adjust the positions such that the market value comes in between it and you will be earning fee only in between those ranges. So I am putting 0.9994 and 1.0024 in between. The market value is currently in between it. So adjust the value such that equal amount of USDT and DAI gets accumulated. Just approve both the USDT and DAI tokens separately. Only very small amount, less than $1 will be charged as per present market condition. You will earn the fee only in the range you have given below in the LHS and RHS. So be careful by adding the range, especially in ETH and USD pair. You can see that my Trust Wallet Uniswap added liquidity pair is in out of range now. But if the market goes down, it will come again in the range and you will earn a lot amount of fees by adding this liquidity if it is in the range. Now hit on the add button in order to add the liquidity and supply. I am taking just 260 DAIs and 244 USDT. You cannot add it equally correctly because the conditions for version 3 liquidity adding is different from normal version liquidity adding. It depends on the upper limit and lower limit value given on the LHS and RHS. Just hit on the supply button. You can see that I had added $505 equivalent liquidity in this Uniswap. The fee will be collected here and you can claim the fees on collect fee button, or if you remove liquidity it will be automatically credited. I am recommending this Uniswap liquidity because many future airdrops depend on this. For more earning tips, please keep subscribing our Telegram channel and this YouTube channel. Thank you and have a nice day.